Hello everyone, hi, namaskar, adab, sat sri akal. I welcome all of you to Crime Tak family and I hope everyone part of this family is doing well and fine. There are many people who are asking me about Mehul Choksi's alleged girlfriend. But this story of Mehul Choksi is getting many twists and turns. And as a crime reporter, these twists and turns, according to my experience, are going to be very interesting. Not only as a crime story but also as a developing story. And now the biggest question which is being posed in this entire controversy is whether Mehul Choksi was honey trapped or not. I will give you a sense of what exactly happened with Mehul Choksi, whether it was a case of honey trap or not. But end of the day, it will be your judgment, it will be your decision that what this case is. Is it a case of honey trap where he ended up in Dominica, or he was going out with his girlfriend, alleged girlfriend, for some romantic trip and later on ended in Dominica. Now before that I have accessed some photographs of that woman. This is the photograph. You can see this is the woman. I have blurred the photograph, basically the face of this woman, because I don't want to, because there is no official confirmation, I don't want to hamper the reputation or image of this woman because she is not an accused in the case, although I have the name and clear picture of her. Now, whether it is a case of honey trap or not, there are two theories. I will start with the first theory. So, I spoke to several people who are close to Mehul Choksi, also to his lawyer Vijay Agrawal. Now, what he told me over the phone, that there was a woman in Antigua. From some time, she was staying in a rented apartment just near the residence of Mehul Choksi in Jolly Harbour. And when Mehul Choksi, from last 1.5 months, when he was going out for his morning or evening walks, then this woman used to meet him. She also used to go on walk. So initially there was hi, hello, then they became a very close friend. Okay, so they started talking about their family. She started visiting his family. So they were very close. Now, this friendship was limited to a person who is a neighbor and now who has become a very good friend. This is what Mehul Choksi's lawyers are saying. Now, according to them, this woman called Mehul Choksi on 23rd of May 2021, and she asked and invited Mehul Choksi to visit her residence. In between, she changed her apartment and now started staying in a rented apartment at a place called Marina in Antigua. So she called Mehul Choksi and said, please come and visit me in the evening around 6 o'clock. Now Mehul Choksi left from his Jolly Harbour's residence around 5:15 p.m. and around 6 p.m. on 23rd of May 2021, he reached the residence of this woman, the photograph I just showed. So when he reached, she invited to come inside the apartment. When he went inside the apartment, then he saw that apart from this lady, there were other people also. And the lawyers are saying that by the accent of those people, it appeared that there are people from India and there are people from Antigua. Both were part of it. Later, Mehul Choksi was beaten up, he was roughed up, and then he was abducted. Later, he was taken to a vessel which was parked near the ocean on the coastal line, and Mehul Choksi was then beaten up, given electric shock inside that vessel, and then he was taken to Dominica, where the Dominican police were waiting for him, and he was shown as arrest. This is the theory which has been given by people close to Mehul Choksi and the lawyers of Mehul Choksi. So we have to take everything with a pinch of salt. We can't believe just. Now comes the second theory. The second theory is by the Prime Minister of Antigua. Now the Prime Minister of Antigua claims that Mehul Choksi went on a romantic trip with his girlfriend. And according to the Prime Minister, The woman which he is talking about, probably the photograph which I just showed you, this photograph of the woman. So he claims that this woman is probably girlfriend of Mehul Choksi. He went on a romantic trip to have some good time with her, and later on he was arrested by the Dominican police. Now there are multiple questions on both these theories. First, coming to the allegation by the Antiguan PM. If Mehul Choksi went on a romantic trip with his alleged girlfriend, then when he was arrested in Dominica, why this woman was not arrested? If Mehul Choksi was an illegal citizen in Dominica because he had no visa, he had no passport, he has no document to show that he wants to stay in Dominica, or he had booked any place in Dominica, so he was illegal. So why not this woman who was supposedly accompanying Mehul Choksi, why not she was arrested by the Dominican police? Why not the Prime Minister of Antigua has initiated an inquiry to look for this woman, because she might be a possible witness in the case. If Mehul Choksi went on a romantic trip, used a motorboat to reach Dominica, or he wanted to go to any other place, then this woman might be a possible witness in the case. Why not she has been investigated? Why not she has been questioned by the police authorities? Now where is she? Is she in Antigua, or she is in some other country? When I started looking for this woman on internet, then I used some intelligence about this woman, then I found that this woman has already left Antigua, and because there is no official confirmation, I don't want to reveal her name or other details, and that is why I am not disclosing here that what her name is, how she looks, and the other details that where she is right now. Now coming to the theory which is being given by the sources close to Mehul Choksi and the lawyers of Mehul Choksi. Now if they claim that this woman befriended Mehul Choksi and she was used as a honey trap to abduct Mehul Choksi. So if they are giving this theory, that why there are no witness, there might be some call data records about Mehul Choksi getting call from this number, or Mehul Choksi calling this woman, or some other person in the family of Mehul Choksi, maybe a servant or her wife, because she is also in Antigua. So why not they are coming and saying that yes, we have seen this woman, and this woman might have lured Mehul Choksi and then he ended up in Dominica. Why not no one is coming on record? Why there are no witness that Mehul Choksi was abducted, then he was taken to a vessel? Because it cannot be a very discreet information where you are kidnapping someone, taking to the coastal line, then putting that person in a vessel, and Dominica police is arresting. There might have some people, at least the security guard or the common people in Antigua and Dominica, who might have seen Mehul Choksi, but still no one has come forward. So it is, at this point of time, these theories are floating. But what is going to be important is which of these theories are true. Both of them have their own agenda. Antiguan PM, Gaston Browne, he has come on record and he has said that he doesn't want Mehul Choksi anymore in his country, and he has communicated to the Dominican authorities that to send Mehul Choksi directly to India. And Mehul Choksi's lawyer are well aware that if they are able to prove that Mehul Choksi was forcefully abducted, beaten up, and then it was a staged arrest in Dominica, then the case of Mehul Choksi will become very strong on humanitarian ground, on the human rights ground. So they will try to prove this theory, but as far as evidence are concerned, remember, there is no evidence that Mehul Choksi was abducted. There is no evidence that Mehul Choksi went on a romantic trip with his girlfriend. The matter is still before the court. The investigative agencies are saying that they are keeping a very close eye on what is happening in Dominica. The Indian agencies I am talking about, but it is up to the Dominican authorities, it is up to the Antiguan authorities to come up with more details, some details about the investigation, and then only we can get to know that what exactly happened, whether Mehul Choksi was honey trapped or not. But one part is confirmed, that there was involvement of a woman. The Antiguan Prime Minister has confirmed, Mehul Choksi's lawyers have confirmed that there was an involvement of a woman. But this woman was used to lure Mehul Choksi, after which he was kidnapped, or this woman went out with Mehul Choksi and Mehul Choksi was arrested by Dominica. But if he ended up in Dominica, then where this woman is? Where did she disappear? Why she has not come before the authorities saying that, I am a free woman, but Mehul Choksi has been arrested in Dominica. Where is she? So all these theories at this point of time are floating on various news channels, on social media, on newspaper, but till the time there is no confirmation, we will never get to know that what exactly happened with Mehul Choksi. So I will come up with more details about this. In the meanwhile, if you want to ask any question pertaining to Mehul Choksi, pertaining to any other case, you want me to tell you any other crime story, any interesting crime story, do let me know. I'll be more than happy to share that story. Thank you so much for watching this.